In today's video, I'll show you how to use Microsoft Whiteboard. First, open your browser and go to the official Microsoft Whiteboard website. Make sure to log in with your account. Once you're on the home page, click New Whiteboard to create a new one. Next, you will need to choose a template. In the recommended section, you can click Start with Blank Canvas to open a new board directly. You can also choose from available templates. To do this, go back to the home page and select Whiteboards. From there, you can browse categories such as brainstorming, problem solving, design and research, strategy, project planning, retrospectives, games, workshops, and learning. Choose a category, then select a template. Once you find a template you like, hover over it and click Use this template. Click anywhere on the screen where you want to place the template. You can now start editing your whiteboard. To zoom in or out, go to the lower right corner. You will see buttons for zooming in, zooming out, and fitting the screen. Click them whenever needed. At the bottom, you will see the toolbar with all the tools you can use to modify your board. First is the Undo and Redo button. Next is the Select tool. Click it to select any object. You can then delete, copy, duplicate, or lock it. The next tool is Pan. Click it to move around the board. Next is Inking. You can draw using different colors, highlight content, and adjust the thickness. To erase anything, click the eraser icon and brush over the area you want to remove. You can also use the ruler and lasso tools. To insert sticky notes, click the Notes icon. You can choose a single note or a note grid. Click again on the board to place it. You can also insert reactions if you like. There is also a text tool. Click it, then click anywhere on the board to create a text box. You can type your text, change the color, make it bold or italic, underline it, copy it, or delete it. For more options, click the three dots. You will see options such as Duplicate, Edit Alt Text, Bring to Front, Send to Back, and Lock. Another useful tool is Shapes and Lines. Choose a shape or line, then click anywhere on the board to place it. You can also add another template anytime. Just select a template again, click Use this template, and place it anywhere on the board. To add an image, click the three dots, select Images, choose a file from your device, and click Open. The image will appear on your board. When you are finished designing, you can rename your board. Click Untitled Whiteboard, enter your board name, and click the check icon. To share your board, click Share, toggle on Share Link, copy the link, and send it to others. If they open the link and click View on the web, they will be able to see your whiteboard. And that's it. That's how you use Microsoft Whiteboard.